Hello everyone, this is a 2007 Mercedes-Benz r320 CDI with the I could say not airmatic. It's not airmatic because this is only air springs, so the rear has sagged down completely, sitting down very low, and you get a message on your screen saying that car too low, stop driving. And the first thing you gotta do is well, the first thing I did, I would say, I connected the computer and I went through the sensors. None of the sensors were responding. So then what I did, I checked the hood. I opened up the hood. There we go. And the first thing I said, there might be a blown fuse. There was a blown fuse. One of these fuses right there, this one was blown. You can see that I put a new fuse. The pump wants to start running. Okay, so I put the new fuse. The pump's running, but then stopping, running and stopping, running and stopping. Then I put my hand right here. This is where the pump is. I put my hand right here, and then I noticed there's a little leak. The hose is blown. Look at that. This is your pump. This is the hose. It's blown. It's not pumping anymore. So if you got the same problem where both sides of your car is setting down, check your hose that's going into your your outlet hose that's going into your spring bags. Check that first before you go to the mechanic and replace pump, replace your bags. Check this first. There it is. Okay, hope this helps. Thank you.